With the number of online transactions rapidly increasing, eSignature has become a crucial component of many organizations' digital transformation toolsets. Nintex eSign is an eSignature solution that integrates with any software application using APIs. eSign is a key piece of the Nintex Process Platform and can work independently. Nintex eSign works across industries, geographies, and high-volume use cases. eSign optimizes what happens before, during, and after the eSignature event, helping automate business-critical processes. It meets security, privacy, and industry standards, provides custom branding experiences, and is cost-effective, all without overage penalties that would incur with other providers. Let's take a closer look. From the dashboard, click Send Envelope. Upload the document file Nintex eSign will use to add signature requirements. In this example, we want to add a signature to the bottom of this contract. Select the plus icon on the left-hand side to add additional documents to the end of the current project. Click on the Document Manager icon at left to review all the files that have been added. Add a signer by clicking Add Signer on the right of the screen. Type the signer's name and email address. Once added, several options are available on the right side and can be dragged onto the document for placement. For this contract, we need a signature, a date, and an additional field for the signer's job title. These fields are called job blocks. Job blocks are easily resized by dragging the corner. Rename these job blocks so they are relevant. Add preset values to expedite the signature process. To add additional signers, click Add Signer on the right-hand side again, and repeat the job blocks process. Once the job blocks have been added and configured, we can review, send, or even save as a template to be reused again in the future. To use the template, click Use next to the applicable entry. In this example, the template was configured for 2 signers, so we'd need to input both signers' details. Once added, it is ready to be sent for signature. When sending, text message settings ensure the signer can be informed across multiple delivery methods. Additionally, eSign can add security, including requiring a password, knowledge-based authentication, and 2-factor authentication. Details about the delivery envelope, such as signature status and timings, are available by clicking View Envelope Details. Let's switch to the signer's perspective. As the signer, we receive the contract for signature via email. Click Begin Signing. Either type our name with the keyboard or draw it with a mouse or stylus. After reviewing the document, we can apply the signature to the document. Today's date is pre-filled, and there is space to fill in job title. Once both parties have signed, the documents are available to download. This is a quick example of how Nintex eSign can help complete contracts and close deals faster to increase efficiency and customer satisfaction. For additional information or to schedule an in-depth demonstration, visit nintex.com.